In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn spell check on or off in Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful setting if you want Firefox to underline misspelled words as you type, or if you prefer to turn that feature off for a cleaner browsing experience. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Firefox tips and easy how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox and look for the menu button in the top right corner. This is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click it to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to Firefox's settings page, where you can control all kinds of browser preferences, including language and spelling options. Once the settings page opens, click Language. This is where Firefox keeps the language-related features, including the spell check controls. Now scroll down until you find the spell check section. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Check Your Spelling as you type. If you want Firefox to automatically highlight misspelled words while you're typing, make sure this box is checked. If you want to turn spell check off, simply uncheck the box. That's it. The change happens right away, so there's no need to restart Firefox or save anything manually. If you're typing emails, comments, forms, or documents in the browser, this setting can be really helpful for catching mistakes before you submit anything. And if spell check ever feels distracting, you can turn it off just as easily by going back to the same spot and switching it off again. So to recap, click the 3-line menu, go to Settings, open Language, scroll to Spell Check, and then check or uncheck. Check your spelling as you type depending on what you want. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Firefox tutorials, browser tips, and simple tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.